Hello everyone. So today I'm going to try to package this project. So this is the third-person shooter project that we have been working on, and yeah, I think if you have followed previous videos, you know what this project is. So this is a simple map where AI characters of two teams are spawning, and player is the both characters are shooting at player. But yeah, there's a lot going on in this project. So today I want to try to package and see how it goes. So first thing to check is in here, maps and mods, we have the game default map and editor startup map. So as the default map, I want to choose this main menu, and yeah, so from the main menu, if I open the project, this is our main menu. If I go to game, it's basically loading another level, this one. So here actually there are not many NPC characters, so it's this map, this let's test. So let's go to packaging, and I don't think I have to change anything here. Let's see advanced. These are everything default settings. I haven't touched any of these settings. I think I have done packaging before, but it is some time ago, so I don't remember much. List of maps to include in the packaged build. Okay, main menu and ls levels ls test. Let's put these two, and to package here, Windows package project, I'll choose build. So now you can see the packaging started. Actually, I have the packaging project for Windows pop up in the right side of the monitor, but it's outside the recording area, so you don't see that. But you can see here the packaging is happening, and I'm pretty sure it's going to take some long time. So let me pause the packaging, let me pause the record, and I will let you know how much it took, and if the packaging is interrupted due to some errors or anything, I'll start recording from that point. So I'm gonna pause now. I can see some errors and warnings. Error abstract properties overlay switcher. So these are coming from some structs that I have in the game. So, but still, the packaging is not interrupted. It's still going on. So let's see if it completes or not. Okay, so cook failed. Unknown cook failure. Let's filter messages. Let's filter only errors. unknown structure, overlay state switcher. So that's the only error. Let's check this one. Let me get a new content browser. Blueprints. UI. Overlay state switcher. It's here. Overlay state buttons. Overlay state button params. Let's open this blueprint and see. Overlay state. So the data type is overlay state button parameters, and this one. Yeah. So let's open this. Nothing seems odd. Everything seems fine. Actually, I remember one time in one of the previous projects when I may rename these structures and resave, I think it worked. Let's compile this, save, but I'm not sure if that is what it fixed previously. That's the exact solution, but let's see again. Let's give it a try again. Alright, I got the build successful message. Okay, let's check the build folder. We have the exe file. Let me open it. Right, it opened in my other screen. Let me drag it here. Okay, game, new game. Yeah, everything seems to work fine. Cool. So the packaging is working. Let's go to settings. No need to check settings. Let's go to main menu. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, exit. Yes. Cool. Our game is basically working. Alright, so I'm gonna stop this episode right here. Thanks for watching. As always, project files will be available in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And also maybe I'll post a link to the packaged build later so that you guys can play and see. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in another episode. Goodbye.